Begin by lubricating all the exhaust bolts. Use a 12mm socket and ratchet to remove the stock splash shield. Use a flathead to remove all the stock plastic clips. Use a 12mm socket and continue removing the center splash shield. Use a 10mm socket and remove the stock exhaust shields. Disconnect all wires. Using pliers, unclamp the hoses and disconnect. If possible, use vice grips to clamp the hoses so it does not leak. Continue removing everything that is attached to the turbo. Continue removing everything that is attached to the turbo. You can decide to vice grip or plug the hoses or let them drain. Using an 8mm socket, loosen the stock hose clamp. Disconnect the hose from the turbo. Use a 10mm wrench and remove the upper plastic piece. Beware of liquid draining after disconnecting the hoses. Use two 17mm wrenches and disconnect the oil line. Use a 10mm socket and disconnect the ground. Remove the last of the exhaust shields. Use Use a 14mm socket and impact and remove the stock exhaust bolts and hangers. Use a 14mm socket and impact to remove the header nuts. Remove the last bolt. With the extra set of hands or support, lower the stock header from the car. Use a 14mm socket and remove the stock header to turbo nuts. Install new hardware. We are using a 2-nut and wrench method to tighten down the new hardware. Use whatever method you prefer. Install new gasket and install header and tighten down the nuts. With support or extra set of hands, hold the new header in place. Using a 14mm deep socket extension, install the new header. Reinstall everything, bleed the system, top off the fluids, and your installation is complete.